Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to set up the Govee Floor Lamp 2. So let's first start off by taking everything out of the box. And what we're essentially going to start off with is first you want to go ahead and grab the base. So we have our metal base, and what we're going to do is that we're going to start opening up these screws. And Govee does provide you with a screwdriver, but I like using a longer one, so due to your preference. And so essentially how it works is two screws are going to be placed into the bottom here. So you're going to slide it in. And it's actually easier if you lay this down just because this tends to slide downward. So to start it off, we're just going to slide this until we see the screws like that. And it also helps if you have a magnetic screwdriver as well. So this is number 1 and then number 2. So after you attach the first plate, you're going to grab the bar that does not have a metal plate within it, and you're going to place it like this. And then you're going to grab the next two screws, screw it in like that. Now, because this is getting a bit taller, we're going to go ahead and place this on the floor. So we're going to grab the next piece, and the piece you're going to grab is the one that does not have the closed end. But to make it easier, we're actually going to go ahead and find the two holes here. And then the second screw, you just put in like that. Now, once you place this on the top portion, so we could actually place this down below because it is going to get a bit taller. So now it looks like this. So we're going to grab our next two screws. And again, I personally think it's easier if you lay this down, just so that gravity doesn't make it fall downwards. So that's 1, and that's 2. So there you have it. So we're just going to make sure this is tight by adjusting all 4 screws. Now for the last one, again, we're going to start it with it not connected. So we're just going to grab our last 4 screws here and find the holes. And the same thing, grab your last 2 screws again. And let's go ahead and lay this down. Then we're going to slide this in, and it should automatically align with the holes that you see here. And then the last screw. Now we can go ahead and stand this up. Next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to grab the light strip here, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. And then with this light strip, you're just going to go ahead and plug it in right over here, and then go ahead and press it downwards. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you press the light inside of the light or the wires, and then you're just going to press the light strip against it until it locks in place. So I do want to make sure that okay, so it should fit perfectly up top. So the light strip itself should sit flush against the actual metal. You're going to start clicking. And there you go. The light strip has now been placed inside the metal bar. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our power adapter, and let's go ahead and unwind it. And then this portion should connect to here, and then plug it in, and you should be good to go. So that right there is how to set up your Govee Floor Lamp 2. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.